How to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First, open Instagram and navigate to profile icon at bottom right. Tap three-line icon at top right. Scroll down, select your activity. Now choose Recent Searches. If you have any recent searches, you can delete your searches one by one or tap clear all in top right corner to delete everything. Now go back to your profile and three bars again at top right corner. Now you need to scroll down and choose help option. Tap on report problem at top and select report problem without checking. Select include and continue, and in the text box you can write, "Hey Instagram, please help me delete the feature where it gives me search suggestions while typing or while I am typing, and please remove it, thanks," and tap the send button at top right. Then Instagram should respond and help you remove those annoying search suggestions within a couple of days. And that's it. Now you should know how to get rid of Instagram search suggestions. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.